dance is Hippy Dippy Mambo, choreographed by Sue Ann M. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, left, right, kick, back, 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 touch. Section 2, step right to side, dip, roll hips, point left toe. Dip to left, dip to right, dip to left. Section 3, vine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn left to face 9 o'clock, hold. Last section, forward mambo, hold, back mambo, hold. Weights on my left and facing 9 o'clock and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that's the whole dance.